Hello YouTube, Text back with another good video, and today's video is about a USB port not working on laptop or PC or desktop. When you try to insert your USB flash drive or external mouse or your keyboard or mic or any USB peripheral device, and you insert on the USB port and it does not show you or respond to you, then on this video we are going to see different solutions from basic to advanced solutions. So now let's start on how can we solve this problem. And basically this solution will work for Windows 10, Windows 11, and other Windows operating systems. So stay tuned until the end of the video. So the first solution will be the basic solutions. So restart your computer. Maybe a small function can solve this problem. So restart your computer, which can solve your problem. And if the restarting is not working, then the other thing will be try to update your Windows operating system. So update the Windows operating system on your computer. So in order to update, type here Windows update. So here you find the Windows update. So even when there will be some updates are missing, such kind of USB port not working may occur. So check for Windows update. So when you try to check for Windows update, it will take some time. So you should also be connected to the internet. And these things basically will appear when you install a fresh operating system, like maybe you install Windows 7, 8, 10, or 11. So when you install a fresh Windows operating system, your USB port may not respond to you. So it's better to update your operating system. So in my case here, some files are needed to download and install. So I'm going to select download and install. So after the download completed, then restart your computer and check your USB port is working correctly or not after the restart. And the other basic solution will be related with this is removing your laptop's battery. If you're using a laptop, just remove the laptop battery and hold the power button for 30 seconds or more. Why you do that? Because it helps the capacitor to discharge. They remove their laptop battery and leave it for a night or just for 1 hour or 2 hours in order to discharge the capacitor. And this also helped some people in order to get back their USB port activity. The other solution will be checking your power plan. Of course, the power plan also have a relation with the USB port because it takes a power consumption. That's why we take removing the laptop battery and other recommendations. So to check the power plan, click here under the search icon and type here power plan. So when the power plan opened, then click here choose a power plan. So when you choose a power plan, it will give you different options based on you. Maybe if you are playing gaming or others, in most of the time it will have three basics ones: power saver, high performance, and balanced. So based on your preference, in my case it's high performance. If you selected this one, then use this one. But in my case, I use the high performance already. So select change plan setting and select here change advanced power setting. And on advanced power setting here, select the USB setting. Click the plus sign and select again USB selective suspended setting. Again, click here the plus sign and select here the setting enabled and disable it. And select here apply and select here OK. Then go back again to the previous section and again go to here change what the power button do. Select this one and again go to here and change settings that are currently unavailable. So it will activate this the shutdown setting and remove this one or uncheck this one. Turn on fast startup. So uncheck this turn on fast startup option and save changes and close the power options and check whether the USB port is back working or not. The next solution also will relate with the power management. So to check the power management under the USBs, click on the search icon and type here device manager. So here the device manager opened on the screen. So find for universal serial bus controller. On the bottom you will find like this universal serial bus controller and click here the drop down arrow. And in my case here I have three options. In your case you may have USB root hub 3.0 or USB root hub 2.0, generic USB and other options. So make sure you select on them. So in my case I only have this one. So I'm going to right click on it and go to here the properties and go to here power management and uncheck this box. Allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. Just uncheck this one and select here OK. And do the same for other. If you have a generic USB, do the same. If you have another USB root hub, do the same thing that what I did earlier. And check whether your USB failure problem is solved or not. So if the power management cannot solve the problem, then the other solution would be updating your driver. So update the driver relates with, again, select here this USB root hub and select update driver. Then select search automatically for driver and it will search, and here it says the base driver for your device are already installed. Then close this one and do the same for others. Again, go for this one and update driver, search automatically, and again the same thing happened. And also for this one and search automatically and the base driver. Then check whether your problem is solved or not. Then the next solution will be uninstalling and reinstalling back. So uninstalling and reinstalling back will relate with all the USB root hubs and also the generic USBs. So right click on them and select uninstall device and select uninstall. So it's uninstalling, and as you can see the USB ports are already removed. After they are removed, then restart your computer. So here after the restart, then select here the search icon and here the device manager already here. I'm going to open the device manager and go check for universal serial bus. It's already installed, which is it's already updated by itself. So close the device manager and check whether the USB port not working problem is solved or not. So these are the solutions in order to solve the USB port not working or having a problem issues. So if this video is helpful, please give me thumb up, give me comments on the comment section, subscribe, Charge Tech. Thank you for watching for today. Charge Tech out.